Hi everyone, this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I'm going to do a tutorial video for this coffee mug box. And yeah, it's also a shaker. So I will also do the tutorial for this shaker part in this video, since I also got a request for how to making a shaker card. And this is the die set. So for making a shaker, you also need the craft foam and also the acetate paper in every shaker that you want to make. So for the craft foam, the one we sell in the store is 3mm thick, but you can use 3mm, 5mm thick. It's up to you. You can find these in your local craft store as well. And then in this set we sell, it has 8 sheets of craft foam and 10 sheets of acetate paper. They are in A4 size. Yeah, so this is just the thing that you need to use when you want to make a shaker. And here is the thing that I've cut out. So first you need to cut 2 basic piece for making the front side and the back side of your box. So this is cut with this die set. And then to make the size of your box, you need to cut this piece 2 times and this piece 1 time. And to make the shaker part in the front, first you need to cut a background paper with this die set. So you have a background of your shaker. And then cut this one again with the acetate paper. And you can cut off this part so it looks like this to make the front of your shaker. And then you need to cut this one with the foam to make the dimension of your shaker. So more thick of your craft foam is, and more shaker base that you can put inside your shaker. And also you need to cut this one again with the pattern paper to cover your shaker foam and decorate the front of your shaker. So this is how all these dies works. And let's start the tutorial. And you will also get this die. So this is a coffee bean shaker base die set that you can cut, so create the shaker base for your project. So first you can stick this part here. And then stick this foam here on top. Because the foam will stretch a little bit after running through the cutting machine, so you need to slightly move the foam so they fit in the right place. And now stick this acetate paper on the back side of your of this front side of this paper. So now you can add your sequins inside. And now stick this part on top of the foam. So this coffee mug shaker part is ready, and let's make the box part. And stick this part here. So this part is ready, and stick this part here. So this box is ready. So when you stick these borders, you just need a little patience and do it, carefully. And yeah, it fits perfectly, right? And then you can decorate your front side of the box. I'm thinking of adding this one. So this coffee mug box is ready. Super cute, right? So hope you like this tutorial video. And if you have any questions, please leave me comment. I will answer you as soon as possible. And thank you for watching. I will catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.